What if your cracked phone screen could fix itself like magic? Or what if your scratched car just healed in the sun? Sounds like science fiction, right? That technology actually exists, and it's called self-healing materials. These are specially designed plastics, paints, and even concrete that can repair themselves after being damaged. Some of them use microcapsules embedded in the material. When a crack appears, these capsules break open and release a chemical like dicyclopentadiene, or DCP, which reacts with a catalyst to harden and seal the crack. Other materials rely on reversible polymers, such as polyurethanes or epoxy resins, which can reform broken molecular bonds when exposed to heat or light. Supramolecular polymers, for instance, reconnect on a molecular level, much like snapping Lego pieces together. There are also materials based on dynamic covalent chemistry, like polyamine, which can break and reform bonds repeatedly. It's acting like a resettable glue. But how durable are these self-healing materials? Some of them have been tested to withstand extreme conditions. For instance, a polyurethane-based self-healing coating for cars has been shown to heal scratches in sunlight within 20 minutes. And a recent study showed that a self-healing polymer used in phone screens can heal microcracks under body heat in just 10 seconds. That's pretty fast. And it's not just plastics. Self-healing concrete is also a thing. A type of bioconcrete developed by a team in the Netherlands uses bacteria like bacillus, which produces limestone when exposed to water. This can heal cracks automatically when the concrete gets wet, making it stronger and more durable. This isn't just experimental science either. Real-world applications already exist. Car paint made with self-healing polyurethane coatings can fix small scratches on their own in sunlight. Certain phone screens use polymers that heal using body heat. Bioconcrete with embedded bacteria can seal cracks when it gets wet. And in space, microvascular materials can help spacecraft patch up tiny holes on their own. Self-healing materials have the potential to save billions of dollars in repair costs, and could even save lives by extending the lifespan of critical components. As this technology continues to develop, we can expect to see more and more products that can repair themselves, making our lives easier and more sustainable. So the next time you see a scratch or a crack, don't despair. It might just be a small price to pay for a life of self-fixing awesomeness. Thanks for watching.